Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to lock folders on Windows 10 or 11 very easily. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, there is no any way to directly lock the folder on Windows 10 or 11, but you guys can, in order to protect your file, you guys can just simply go to any of your browser and simply search for any of this folder, lock folder, and you guys can download any third-party application to protect your folder by just typing the password. So, but in Windows, we have another option to encrypt our data, or we have another option to protect our data. In order to protect our data on the specific folder, what you have to do is just simply put all the specific save files in the specific folder. For example, this is the folder I want to make a lock this folder. So for that, I have to simply right click on that. After coming to that, you guys can be able to see here are lots of option here. Just simply click on properties. I'm just tapping on this properties, and you guys can be able to see our properties windows will be opened here. So here what you have to do is just simply click on this advanced button here. So you guys can also click on the security button here. So I'm just tapping on the security button here. You guys can just simply go to advanced, but I'm going to advanced button here. So after coming to that, you guys can be able to see there are two options, which is compressed contents to save disk space, and second one is encrypt contents to secure data. You have to simply click on this option. So after tapping on that, just simply click on OK, and here you have to simply click on apply. So when it comes to apply, just simply click on OK. So after coming to that, you guys can protect your folder with the help of this. You guys can see from your side, your folder will be displayed with the lock button here. But here, I don't know what happened here. I'm again doing the same scenario, and just simply hitting this option and just simply hit OK, and just simply apply. So after coming to apply, here you will be able to see the lock button which is next to your folder, and you guys can protect your data with the help of this feature in the Windows. But I'll recommend you to install the third-party application to protect your data and add password. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.